So Eric, you have a great experience. First of all, being in the biggest website of crypto, like the I would say the open door of crypto, that is CoinMarketCap, and you have experience of seeing the thousands of tokens that are there. But you have as well experience in terms of digitizing and the challenge that the community went through. And now with BTCU, you guys are building a fantastic solution in terms of NFT technology that can actually be used, in this case, the first case study with property. So, and a lot of things that you're trying to do in marketplace. So can you give us a bit of context about BTCU, what you're trying to do, and as well your role, and as well a bit of background on the industry?
Absolutely. BTCU, we are actually a fork of BTC, and but beyond that, we're not just another Bitcoin Cash or anything like that. We are a third generation technology of BTC. So all the shortcomings of all of the first and second generation cryptocurrencies, we combined into one platform, and that's BTCU. And some of the problems that we try to solve is the some of the topics that are actually quite in discussion these days. One of the things that Elon Musk had talked about just last week about the power consumption of mining of BTC, for instance, through the proof of work algorithm. That is something that we thought of way ahead and prepared for, and we have incorporated into BTCU. So through the ultimatum proof of stake consensus algorithm, we're able to mine a lot more efficiently, very, very little power. So with the recent, announcement in China about the ban of mining, I think part of the decision there was possibly because of the consumption of power, of course, but also, of course, their own digital currency is part of the plan, the digital yuan, and trying to uplift that. And so they're trying to suppress, the decentralized cryptocurrencies, and they rather everyone use their centralized. But not to get too deep into that, we have a solution for the power consumption of mining of BTCU and other cryptocurrencies. So the second solution is the smart contract capability. So as we know, BTC is really just become a store of value. It's a digital gold 2.0, a lot of people call it, and it doesn't really do much. You can't even really use it as an e-payment system. So it's not the most efficient. It's hard to scale. So as a part of that, we have incorporated the EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine, and we're able to do smart contracts on BTCU using Solidity. And the speeds and transactions on BTCU is thousands of times faster than BTC. And the third solution we have is the problem of privacy. So a lot of these tokens and coins out there, all these transactions are not anonymous. So we can actually track and see exactly what everyone is doing. So we have the zero coin protocol that we have incorporated into BTCU, making the optional, by the way, you can turn on and off anonymous transactions on the BTCU blockchain. And I think that is something that is very important for the future, especially when we need the privacy for our financial data. So in addition to that, we have solutions. We wanted the whole package, a one-stop kind of a blockchain. We have wallets. We have our own BTCU wallet, which is secure, it's convenient, user-friendly. It's a wallet that allow you to receive, send, and store your cryptocurrencies. And excuse me. And also, we're creating a marketplace. Overall, the first three solutions I mentioned and the wallet, all that is really to create a marketplace, an entire ecosystem on the Bitcoin Ultimatum blockchain, which allow people to do all sorts of stuff. And part of it will be the NFTs that we talked about and the partnerships that we'll build on that. But right now, we already have other projects on BTCU, such as USD Reserve, USDR, which is a one-to-one stable coin backed by gold. And they chose BTCU because of our transaction speeds, our privacy, as well as the ease of use for programmability. And they chose BTCU. So very proud to partner with USDR. And also, we already have a marketplace where people can buy goods, electronic goods, all sorts of goods from AliExpress, Amazon, eBay, and other online stores directly from the BTCU marketplace without having to deal with conversions, commissions, and other exchanges. So that's already a marketplace that we're producing now. But the different ecosystems and different marketplaces that are on the BTCU blockchain will be limitless. And we'll be talking about the NFT partnerships and the ecosystem that we are going to be creating with the partnership of Zisk Properties.